Welcome back to my channel. I'm currently recovering from stomach virus that I gained from my nephews. It's now Monday and I'm feeling a lot better. Since I just spent this whole weekend being sick, I really need to get my life back in check so that way I can, or should I say my space back in check, so that way I can get my life back in check. No, I haven't really vlogged in a minute, like this kind of type of vlog, like from home. So I'm really excited to just spend some time with you guys today. We're gonna clean my apartment. Cheers, let's have a beautiful day, beautiful Monday, a beautiful fresh start to the week. Not lotioning up or anything just yet because I'm about to hop in the shower. I just wanted to really quickly wash my face and get those pimple patches off. I need to wash my hair. It's honestly getting really long, and I genuinely think it's all because of the new shampoo and conditioner that I've been using. I've been using this rice water one by Kitsch. This is just like an extra box of it. I already have my bars in my shower. This is just the Kitsch rice water protein shampoo and conditioner bars. For one, it's different than anything I've used because it's literally a bar, but it's a lot more sustainable for the earth, and I feel like they've lasted me a lot longer than traditional shampoo has. It already has rice water protein put in it, and if y'all have been a follower of me for a long time, y'all know I used to try to make like rice water solutions, so this just like already incorporates it into my shampoo and conditioner, which is super beneficial for your hair growth. It helps with your overall growth, breakage, strength of your hair. I chopped my hair off earlier this year and it has done wonders. My hair already is kind of at this like weird medium length for me, and I'm already thinking of like cutting it again, but I've definitely started seeing the growth since I've used the shampoo and conditioner bars from Kitsch. I even tried to get their little shower caddy. For some reason it will not work in my shower. It has like every single little thing for it, so you always know where your Kitsch bars are. I right now just have mine hanging up in my shower in their little like mesh bags. Also do have a code that will get you 25% off at checkout that will automatically be applied if you guys go shop on Kitsch's website, so I will have the link to that in the description box below. There'll also be like QR code or something along the screen, so that way you guys can just like scan the screen, make your Kitsch purchase, and get kick-started. Officially done with the shower. Put on some clothes real quick. My top is from G4 Free. My sweatpants, which you can't really tell, are from Walmart. No Boundaries line. I also already did my skincare, but I'm just gonna do my hair real quick so we can get to cleaning. It's not too much that I need to do, but I do want to get it done as soon as possible so that way I can still have time to like hit the thrift stores before they close. Pretty much today is going to just be a reset day, so I don't really have much other than resetting to do. It feels so amazing to finally have some energy to like get up and get active, because this whole weekend I have just been bed rotting. For me, when I'm sick and I have to stay in the house and just like rest and get better, even though I know it's needed, it makes me so depressed. Like anybody could probably relate to that. That's how I've been feeling. So today is like super exciting because I can finally go out of the house. I also don't work until tomorrow night at my second job, and then I only work 3 days at Hooters this week, which are Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Friday's Halloween. So that's gonna be fun. To start with laundry, I have a ton that I need to get folded here. Starting to get to that weather where I can actually start wearing my sweaters. So excited about it. Honestly, my entire apartment just feels really dusty, really gross. I just got done doing my laundry and putting that away. I'm so dehydrated, it's insane. I'm drinking a ton of like liquid IV and just different electrolytes to try to rehydrate my body because I was throwing up so much. Method to how my pillows go. This one is from Kitsch. Actually, these are their satin pillowcases. I have that pillow, and then these are my sheet pillows. I got this sheet set from Target. We have the matching comforter, which is also from Target. And then lastly, to finish it off, I just have this throw pillow that I also got from Target. So obsessed with my new bed set. It just gives me such good vibes. I love it. And like I said, everything's from Target, so it should all be there. Kind of went manic the other day and just went on a shopping spree and redid my entire bed set. But I can't say that I'm mad at it because it looks so good. To disinfect absolutely everything in my apartment because like I said, I just had a stomach bug. Time to put the hair up. I have some dishes that I need to get done. I've just been letting them pile up. Now it's time to finally get these out of the way. A Sunday morning, we knew we was coolin'. Young pals with some attitude, doing nothing. You can find us playing in the gym. Lifetime's worth of gratitude, doing nothing. I don't follow harder generations growing. I was Mother Nature coping with so many losses. I miss you, homie. My son. Dame slime for life. Just got done cleaning. I did sweep, mop, and vacuum my entire apartment, but I went ahead and just kind of did most of that off camera because it did take me quite a while since I had to do absolutely everything. On top of that, I had to move Mama's litter box all around and clean underneath that, deep clean the litter box. It's been a minute since I've done that, so it took me a little bit, but I'm about to get ready. I actually was on FaceTime with Julia earlier, and we're gonna try to go thrifting together, so I don't believe she's actually gonna dress up for Halloween, but I still wanted to go thrifting with her, so she's just gonna thrift, and I'm gonna be on the hunt for my Indiana Jones costume. Can just go to the thrift stores and I can just drop you off after. I just made it to the bank. I've got to count up my money. I have a $2 tip share and then a $5 one plus whatever this is. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 93. So 493. This should be 500 total. Oh my god, I totally forgot I have money in here too. Okay, 60. So 560 with the money in my wallet included. Julia's ready. Fuck. Oh, it was 660. Ugh. Alrighty, my hair, you guys, I'm so obsessed with how it looks. I feel like every time I use that shampoo and conditioner, my hair just looks so soft, like way less frizziness too. For some reason, I've really been craving a taco from Jack in the Box, so that's where I'm gonna go. It's not too far. I think it's like 3 minutes down the street from where I'm at right now, so I'm gonna go get me at least a taco or two. Hi, can I just get 2 tacos plain? Tacos plain? Yes. Thank you. That's a cheap lunch, $2. Thank you. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you. I'm gonna eat at least one of them right now while I just sit here because I don't want to be like driving and doing this at the same time. But it's like 4:30 right now, so I feel like we're doing it pretty good on time. This is definitely satisfying my craving. I don't know why I randomly just wanted Jack in the Box tacos, but they're hitting. I just finally caught up on Love is Blind and I'm so excited for the reunion on Wednesday. Also super excited for Dancing with the Stars tomorrow. My job hosts like little watch parties, so if you're in the Dallas area, Dudley's on Henderson. It's a really cool little vibe. We made it into the thrift store. I'm currently on the hunt for stuff to go for my Indiana Jones outfit. So I literally just found the most perfect hat for the Indiana Jones costume. Tell me this one's not so much better. It looks kind of funky because it's okay. So these are the boots that I got.
So cute. I like those. That is literally perfect, dude.
It's literally perfect hat. I just need to like
just shape it out. Wear it for a day.
Fold it backwards or something. I don't know. I ended up going with this little knit top. I feel like I could like distress it or cut it up a little more to make it
longer.
Yeah, to make it look a little better. And then I'm gonna put this underneath. Then I got this little necklace for it. It matches all the browns. And then look, these beads.
Yeah, those
match perfectly with it.
Super cute.
And then look, the earrings.
Oh, those are cute. I think it all fits the vibe.
Right?
Yeah.
So these are the earrings I got. But anyway,
it all literally is so cute. I got this little sweater. I don't think I'm gonna dress up for it, so I didn't get anything. But I'm gonna get this sweater. And then I got this, what is this? Leopard?
Little cheetah, leopard.
Whatever. Little sweater. And the main character right here is her. She's so cute. She has a little stuff on the front, but I feel like I can clean it.
Now we're off to the next. Finally back home. Today felt so amazing. You guys don't even understand. Actually, you probably do. Being cooped up in your apartment for a full entire weekend because you're sick is just not fun. So I'm so happy that I was able to get caught up on some cleaning and getting my space feeling back to normal. Also getting to hang out with Julia today was amazing. I miss my girls so much. We honestly haven't been hanging out as much and it really makes both of us super sad. So I'm glad we got to spend some time together today. It's now like 8:23 at night and I am finally home. I got my full costume for work, so I'm super excited. I tried it on when I got home and it looks so good. The only thing is I need my pants to be the right color, so I think I'm gonna dye those with like some clothes dye that I can get from like Walmart or something. Other than that, I had honestly such a good day and I'm so happy that I'm like feeling back to normal. Being sick is actually the worst. So I just wanted to wrap this video up and say goodnight to you guys or goodbye to you guys, whatever time you're watching this. I love you so much. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a like, hit the subscribe button, comment what you ended up being for Halloween this year. I'm so excited. This is like my favorite holiday, so I can't wait to see what everybody was. If y'all did any fun Halloween plans, let me know about it in the comments down below. Bye guys!